How are you?
I'm fine, fine, fine.
Mashallah, mashallah. Why did you use the lipstick on your lip? Your looking is completely dazzling. Everyone will fall in love with you if you look at any other person like this, like this.
I'm not speaking English. I'm, little.
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, okay. You're back. Listen, when you talk to me on the WhatsApp, you speak English very good. Really.
Okay.
Yeah.
I try something. I try.
Okay. You try something. So I have a question. My question is, so, as how do I ask this question to you? How old are you? I think you are not more than 20, 22, 23rd. Not more than this age.
How are you?
Like, am I right?
30 plus.
You are the liar. You are liar. No.
No, I'm not lying.
Okay, but your face, your attitude, everything feel like below of 25, not above of 25.
Because I'm caring. Okay.
Oh.
I'm caring.
You do care of yourself very good every single day.
Yes.
And
very carefully.
Okay, I understand. Okay, cool. सारे पाकिस्तानियों girl लड़की है very looking good. सारे पाकिस्तानियों.
I don't understand that you like you Bangladesh women. Why?
Look, I exactly don't know.
Because we are in Bangladesh.
Yeah.
After women, beautiful, black hair, shiny skin, beautiful color, Asian color, very hardworking. Why?
Because it's
Pakistani girls are very attitude.
Yeah. Okay, very attitude. Understand, but it's a personal opinion, and I do feel like very positive and very beautiful.
Ghazi, you send me pics. Something Bangladesh women, something Bangladesh girls. Okay, you send me WhatsApp.
Okay. Thank you, but you were totally actress.
I search her nose, lips, chin, lifestyle, hair cutting, dressing.
Okay, how tall you are? How many feet you are tall?
5.3 inch, 4 inch. 5.4 inch.
5.4.
5.4.
Yeah. Can you stand up?
Stand up. ऐसे नहीं पता चलेगा. No, you understand. No, you understand.
Oh, I said, can you stand up like this? Can you stand up, not sit? Like this, stand up. You stand up.
Stand up. Wait. Why?
Because Pakistan meaning is really so lovable, very pretty enough. I want to see it totally. Can you stand up, please? Put your camera on your table. Put your camera on the table. Put your camera.
Why? Ghazi, why?
Because Pakistan meaning is really so much beautiful. Oh.
Wait.
Okay, for sure.
Stand.
Okay.
Yaar, Ghazi, please.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
take care.
Take care.